Welcome to our AI Tool Showdown. Today we're comparing the top AI tools to help engineers make the best choice for their projects. Let's get started with the AI Tool Showdown.
Before we jump into the AI tools, let's talk about why they're a big deal for engineers. Complex calculations, massive datasets, and the pressure to innovate. AI handles it all. These tools can crunch numbers, find hidden patterns, and automate tedious tasks. AI helps design stronger materials, optimize processes, and predict equipment failures. But with so many tools, which one fits your needs? That's why we're here to break it all down for you. We'll compare TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras.
First up, TensorFlow, the heavyweight champion of deep learning. This open-source library has revolutionized the way we approach machine learning and artificial intelligence. Developed by Google, TensorFlow is known for its flexibility, scalability, and community support. It has become a go-to tool for researchers and developers alike, enabling them to push the boundaries of what's possible in AI. It's the industrial-strength power tool of AI, perfect for building sophisticated models. Whether you're working on natural language processing, computer vision, or any other AI application, TensorFlow has got you covered. TensorFlow runs on various hardware, from CPUs to TPUs, enabling faster training on large datasets. This versatility ensures that you can scale your projects efficiently, regardless of the computational resources at your disposal. Its active community offers extensive documentation and pre-built models. This wealth of resources makes it easier to get started and find solutions to common problems, fostering a collaborative environment. However, TensorFlow can be intimidating for beginners due to its steep learning curve. The complexity of the library can be overwhelming at first, but with persistence, the rewards are immense. But mastering it is worth the effort. The skills you gain and the projects you can create with TensorFlow are unparalleled, making it a valuable asset in the field of AI. Let's move on to our next contender. Stay tuned as we explore more tools that are shaping the future of artificial intelligence.
Next, we have PyTorch, the agile contender in the AI world. Developed by Facebook, PyTorch is known for its ease of use and dynamic computation graphs. This flexibility allows developers to build and modify models on the go. If TensorFlow is a power tool, PyTorch is a high-performance sports car. It offers speed and agility. Its intuitive API makes it user-friendly, even for non-experts. This means that both beginners and seasoned professionals can use it effectively. PyTorch integrates seamlessly with